Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm the library's liaison to biology. And what that means is that I'm your go-to person in your biology classes for when you are researching the literature and you need to find good scientific articles on things. I'm here to help you. And I'm here to help you today specifically because in your cell biology class, you're going to be working on lab reports and you need to research the literature to help you formulate a good hypothesis or understand your results better. And I'm going to help you do that. So in order to do that, I've set up this tutorial for you. Please work through all the tabs, all the little blue tabs on the left. And when you're done, there'll be a special little activity. It's a virtual escape room, but rather than escaping a room, you're going to escape the library. And a note on this, as I was just looking at what I put together, and I realized nobody's wearing masks in these pictures, and that might seem strange. They all predate COVID, back in the day when we all didn't have to wear masks. So don't see that and be unnerved. Everybody really is wearing masks in the library. But anyway, the most important thing to get out of this, if there is one most important thing, is that I'm available to help you. You can reach out to me through email. You can visit my virtual office. You can chat with me via Teams. There are lots of different ways to reach me. And on this front page here, there's a little Your Friendly Librarian box with that information. It's also in the What If I Get Stuck tab of this guide. But I'm here to help you. It's my job and I enjoy doing it. So please reach out to me if you have any questions and have fun with this.